I'm happy. Because my hair is not, like, yeah, it's not so messed up. So, hey guys, I just woke up, so don't mind that background. Okay, over. Yes, yeah, wait. Yes, my scary dolls. They're cute. I like them. Me. And I know you never seen this like side of of the room. You always saw in front my ugly, my messy stuff. Yeah. I try to move it like a little bit more so you could see this right here. But my desk is not here. It's here. So in this video, I will be showing you what's in my sketchbooky. I have two sketchbooks. One is the first one. But I'm not showing that one. It's too cringy. One of my first sketches in this one was very ugly. Like, legit ugly. This is when I got it. And yeah. The second one is a girl with a shirt that says girlfriend material. Oh shoot. Yeah. Some are broken. I broke them. This one is a girl lying on the grass. I do not like it that much, but yeah, it's art, baby. This is a girl on the rug. I did one of these in my first sketchbook. It's right like next to those duckies from CC's. Yeah. Okay. This is me trying to make a nice looking Tinkerbell. It came out very cute, but not her. Not her. This is one of my sketchbooks. I tried making me. I have I just can't see it. Right there's 2018. Still 2018. I tried making one for Christmas, but yeah, it came out as well. That one, she just looks so weird. I don't like it. Ew, look at that. I colored it in. I tried making Melanie Martinez, but it turned out bad. I even decided bad. And her tongue is not sticking out. It's just something. I was practicing some legs and lips, and oh my god. This one I kept laughing about. I mean, like, look at it. Try making legs. And that, wait. Boop. This right here. So weird. Here I tried making a mermaid. She's so skinny for some reason. She's been working out. And this is me, another picture of me. But I don't have these stuff. So who cares? And my hair looks like I'm... Ew. Okay, this is another version of me. But I don't wear crop tops, so I don't know why I made that. And the last... I tried making one of those, like... Right here is human, and right here is a wolf or something. But it didn't come out as well, so I scribbled on it. This one I did not finish. It was supposed to be from yesterday, but I didn't get time to finish because I had to go Easter hunting with a friend. And let's see if I have... yeah, I have more. Another one ripped. The one I tried to finish. No. No wonder why this was at the Dollar Tree. Jolly Tree, you better. Oh no! Gotta cover this up. Because you might think it's dirty. I tried making a nose. But. Oh! You just look at the ugly lips, but not that. Okay, this is me trying to make a smile, and the one, like, the big one right there is my favorite. Tried making the back of my brother's hair. Turned out great! What? Great! Great! It turned out great because my brother is half afro. Has an afro. If he's awake, I'm just gonna get him 1 second. Ow! Stepped on a Skittle. Okay, guys, he's still sleeping. I got an idea. I tried getting a photo, but this is what I got. It's him looking at. Look at him. No, you guys cannot see this. It's very funny. That's him! That's him! Right here. That's him. Let's zoom in. This is him. Oh, he looks scary! Let's zoom in a little more. Whoa! It looks like a ghost. Here's his hair, right here. Whoop. Wee. Okay, let's go. Bruh, like, I'll just keep these in the folder. Let's see if the more ripped out. Okay. Let's put it back in its place. Do not rip. If my first one rips, I'm gonna be crying. Okay. You know, I'll just put it in a certain place. Like, I don't care. Okay.
Delete it.
Okay. You look handsome. That's all. Could you give this to Dad? Thank you. Do not look for this. See your face. No, I'm recording. I'm recording. Nah. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Okay. You guys might as well see him if he goes here. Ugh. I'm using a computer. He's like, no. He'll come from here. Oh! It's Coraline. It's not making noise. I want to annoy me. I could go. Wait. Pretend I'm doing it. I'm not doing that. Hey, yo, drumstick. Yeah, he's coming. Okay, no. Let's go. Let's go. Let me show you the one I was talking about. There you are. Not good, but good. It's on my first sketchbook. Yeah. Oh. Well, bye guys. Have a nice night.